Hey, what's up? My name is DJ Beat, and this is basic beat grid editing in Serato DJ Pro. What is beat grid editing? Okay, well, beat grid is how Serato calculates how to sync two songs together. It counts the bars. So if you don't know what a bar is a four count, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it cycles over again, 1, 2, 3, 4. That relates to the song in the way that the beat is built, because typically the basics of it is you have kicks and snares, booms and taps, and they typically go on those counts. So let me give you an example. I will play this and count it out for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so keep that in mind. We're going to be doing a lot of counting when it comes to this. So now I'm going to go ahead and place this on the first kick where the beat starts. I'm going to hit Edit Beat Grid. Up here you have markers. You set them and you clear them. Adjust and slip. So what we're going to do here is first we're going to hit set at the first kick, right? So what it does here, if I remove this, you'll see that it sets the first bar on that line where I set it, right? If you notice here, there's a snare right there. The kicks are red, the snares are green. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. That's the first bar. If we let this play, you'll see that it's going to count every bar, and if the beat grid is right on point, then it'll match your counting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that was 4 bars, and the 5th bar starts at the line where the 5 is. So this beat seems to be pretty much on point all the way through the song. As you can see, the 1 is always on that big kick right there, so that works. Okay, so now let's get a little bit deeper now, because it doesn't always work that easily. Sometimes the beat grid will be off, like say this. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So we know that it's supposed to be right here, but it's off. Up here you have adjust and you have slip. Now slip is if, let's just hit slip and see what happens. Just notice, pay attention to this line, this line, this line, how they all kind of just move together. This is what slip does. Because number 1 is where we set the first marker, this one is red. Typically once you set that, you don't want it to move. So we're just going to put this back in place. Then we'll nudge it with the middle one. So now when I go and hit adjust, this one, the marker that I made right here at number 1 is going to stay, and everything else will slide, creating a change in tempo. So let's hit the fast one. Oh, that's the wrong way. We'll go back this way until it's right there. Too much. Okay, now I'm just going to nudge it with this one. And in the end, I could just hit enter or turn the beat grid off there, and it will stay. So we hit play. Also, I want to let you guys know that there's a shortcut. Instead of having to mouse it around and use the adjust here, you can use the arrows on your keyboard, right and left and up and down, to adjust the beat grid. Right? Once it's done, hit that and you are done editing the beat grid. I would like to let you know also that while the beat grid is on, you can't select any songs. For whatever reason, you can't. Oh, well, it let me do that. But if I were to try and change this, oh, it let me do it. So I'm just going to shut up at this point. Let's put you back in here. So beat grid. I guess while you're playing, if the beat grid is on, it won't let you pick a song. I had to learn that the hard way. But anywho, if you have any questions, please leave a comment, and I will try and get back to you as soon as possible. I'm also going to be uploading some advanced beat editing for songs where the tempos change, so keep an eye out for that one too. Thanks a lot.